Hey beautiful people, it's your girl Leek with all things LiqueTheNailGeek. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, welcome back. I truly appreciate your support, and let's get started. So this is day one here, which you guys already seen. If you have not checked out that video using the CurlSmith temporary hair color Ruby, definitely check it out. This is day 2 hair. This is day 3 hair. You see that color still popping, curls still defined. Day 4, same thing, curls popping and defined. And at night, I'm pineappling my hair and sleeping on a satin pillowcase. So on day 5, I started my workout routine, so I continued to keep my hair up in the pineapple until a ponytail. And as you see now, this is day 6, so I am ready to refresh the curls. And this is just a small refresh. I'm spraying it with very warm water. And I'm also curious to see if the gel will start to come off or look less bright, shall I say, less pigment. This is a styling gel, so it should refresh like any other styling gel, but we shall see. Right now, I'm going to add some oil, my 2 favorite oils, Jamaican black castor oil and Moroccan oil. I put a little in the hand and I mix them and just apply it to my hair and my scalp from roots to end. And I'm not sectioning off as I do this. I'm not going to detangle. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm literally just doing a little cute style so I can run out the door. Just a little refresher for this. Doing a little scrunching, manipulation to get it to look the way I want. And I have a little bit that's on my hand. Surprised it was just that. I'm going to wash that off, as you guys can hear. And hands are clean. Style is cute. Feeling myself a little bit. Yep. And look how the color's still, and my curls are intact. The color's still there, guys.
Okay, so yeah, CurlSmith know what they're doing. Okay, so as you saw, I have fridge. So the first few pictures is day 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is day 5.
This is actually day 6. I don't know where I got 5 from.
I refreshed my curls. I haven't refreshed none this week. All I did was add a little water, my go-to oils, a little conditioning spray, Pantene Go. Y'all better, if you don't know, now you know, because that's my shit. But curls popping, like just by a re-wet. Didn't add any more of the color gel or the weightless air dry cream. Hair still feels soft and just, it's hard not to put your hands in it, y'all. And I'm trying not to now because obviously it's still wet from me refreshing it. Or damp, shall I say, not wet. But curls are popping, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm so happy, so happy. And you see the color is still there. It hasn't faded. Now, it does transfer because I used a lot. I think that was because I looked at other videos. I did. So that was what I did. Because I did twist out and I wanted to do the illusion of highlights because I don't have any real highlights. I did the transfer on my pillowcase, which I did put up there for you guys to see. But still, is it worth it? Yes, because it just washes right out. It doesn't like purposely stain. Oh, that's my insulin pump. Have it, you know, type 1. Anyway, it's not gonna stop. Let me fix it. Life. But anywho, so y'all, I ordered more products because if the color gel and my hair don't do gels is popping, I can't wait to see how the regular gel does. Stay tuned for that. Thank y'all for watching this little short video on how to keep up your color styling gel with them curls and color, all of the above. But thank y'all for watching. I can't stop looking at myself. This is bad. So have a great day. Be blessed. Thank y'all for watching. Until next time. Bye.
Alright, so here are my day 6 results. Love it. And day 7, here we go. Back to working out. So, doing a real refresh this time, guys. I'm going to section my hair off. And since I am working out now, you see that color is still popping, by the way. I'm going to use some of that Curl Enhancement Smoothie by Shea Moisture to get a little moisture in my hair. I'm going to go ahead, detangle. I'm going to see how well this gel works. I'm just adding another moisturizing product since I am working out. And I'm just going to do like a little quick flat twist on my hair. And that is warm water that I am using. I am applying more of the Curl Enhancement Smoothie to the ends just for more moisture. This way I don't have to pineapple my hair every day. And I'm going to continue going section to section. But as you see, that gel is really good in my hair. It has not faded. The pigment is good. It only transfers, you guys, when it's wet. And it's not even doing much transferring right now. I have to say that I am completely impressed. I have not added any additional styling gel, the Ruby Temporary Color, to my hair in the last 7 days at all. Curls are still defined. I'm only adding moisture and detangling because I don't know about you guys, but my natural hair, after going a while without putting some type of brush or comb through it, talk about tangles. So using a tangle teaser to get it on through. Just gonna flat twist this very last one. Making sure I smooth the ends and twist it on down all the way to the end. And I'm just gonna finger pull it at the end and scrunch. So I did have a little bit of red on there, so I'm just gonna wash that off. And I'm gonna get the edges to make sure I don't have any on my face. And as you see, there actually is some on my wall, because I did touch my wall. And I cleaned that up. And I am done. The flat twist. I'm gonna let that air dry. After 7 days with this product, I am completely in love with it. Definitely worth the money. Thumbs up this video, guys. Comment down below. And until next time, bye.